This is all called filming shenanigans, guys. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. We're back with another tutorial. So in today's video, I'll be creating this look using the Nuban Beauty Wishes palette. If you want to see how I achieve this, then definitely keep on watching. Before we jump into the video, if this is your first time here, you're definitely welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all the love and support, for always watching my video. And with that, let's jump into the video. So to start off the look, I'm going into my Nuban Beauty Wishes palette and I'm picking up that muted orange shade. This is going to go all over my transition area, and I'm picking that on a large fluffy brush, going in the windshield swiper motion to blend it all over my transition area. I'm going into the neutral brown shade in the palette, and I'm going to apply this on a flat brush all over my crease area and the outer corner of my eyes. I'm going to blend this shadow, extending it outwards, almost like I'm winging it. I'm going back in with the same shade I used all over my transition area, just to help blend out the brown shade I applied in my crease area better. I'm picking up that bright orange shade from the Nuban Beauty Wishes palette. Now I'm going to apply this in between my crease color and the transition shade that I applied, just to further blend out the brown shade, because as you can see, it looks a little bit harsh. I'm going back in with the same brush I used for my transition shade to blend out everything one more time. It's time to cut the crease, guys. You all know my two favorite products when it comes to cutting my crease. I'm using my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium 34, and I'm picking up the flat brush I always use to apply my concealer, and I'm going ahead to create the line, the area where I want the cut crease to end. going back into the Wishes palette and I'm picking up that bright blue pigment. Well, it's not a pigment, but that bright blue metallic shade. And I'm applying this with my finger all over my lid area. After that, I'm going to go in with a brush. I'm going to dab the brush with my setting spray and pick up more of the color to apply all over my eyelid. For a smooth transition between the brown shade and also the metallic blue shade I applied on my lid area, I'm going into that purplish pinkish shade on the palette. I'm going to apply in between those two shades to blend everything out and make sure everything is seamlessly applied. So guys, once I'm done with the eyeshadow, I'm going to do the rest of the face, my liner, my lashes. I'm going to do all that off camera and then I'm going to come back to continue with my face. Guys, moving on to the face, I'm going in with my Nuban Beauty The Glow highlighter in the shade Aurora. And I'm going to put this in the high point of my face. That is where the light will naturally hit my face. And after I'm done blending that out, I'm going to go in to moisturize my face using my Nuban Beauty Silhouette Setting Spray. It's a very moisturizing setting spray, so that's why I always like to use it before I go out to apply my makeup. So guys, for today's foundation, I'm using the Nuban Beauty My Skin Foundation in W6. Guys, this foundation is weightless, it's skin-like, and it's a medium to full coverage, so you can build it up to full coverage if you want to. I went ahead to apply an extra layer of foundation after this just because my skin has been breaking out of recent, and I have a couple of I have a whole lot of acne scars and dark pigmentation that I just wanted to cover up. So I went in with the Damn Beauty blender from J Cosmetics to blend out the foundation. So guys, I went in with my Nuban Beauty My Skin Concealer to brighten up the dark circles under my eyes and to hide the imperfection. I love this concealer because it helps highlight that area, so it's the lines I have just beneath my eyes, it always helps me reduce the appearance of it. So after I went in to blend that out with my Damn Beauty blender from J Cosmetics, the same one I used in blending my foundation. So next I went in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige and Fawn for that extra highlight. So next I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set all the places where I applied my highlighter. So guys, I'm going into contour today and I'm not doing cream contour. I'm using my Milani mineralized compact powder to apply all over my cheekbones, my jawline and my forehead. So guys, I'm going into that same Milani powder for my nose contour. Now I'm picking up the powder on an angled brush. So guys, to set all the powders I've applied and ensure that my makeup lasts all day, I'm going in with my Nuban Beauty Seal It Spray. So guys, moving back into the Nuban Beauty Wishes palette to finish off the eye look. I'm using a Jessup flat definer brush to pick up that neutral brown shade, and I'm applying this very close to my bottom lash line, and I'm going to use this to smoke out the bottom lash line. So I'm going back into the palette and I'm picking that purple shade. Now I'm going to use this to blend out that neutral shade I just applied. So guys, I'm going to tightline my waterline using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. So guys, I'm going to coat my lashes with mascara using the Zaron Lengthening Mascara. So guys, for my inner corner highlights, I'm picking up that iridescent shade that seems to appear bluish also, and I'm going to apply this into the inner corners of my eyes. So guys, to line my lips, I'm going in with my BFF3 lip pencil from Colourpop. I'm going to use this to line out the areas of my lips and also fill it in at the sides a little bit. Now for lip gloss, I'm going into my Zaron XOXO lip gloss in the shade Cocoa. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section down below. Like, subscribe, share my videos. Also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.